So I tried tying it, but obviously I don't have a mirror, so this is me taking it out and I'm gonna try it again. It was too forward and like on top of my forehead, and I kind of want it like on top, like right on top of my head. So I'm gonna try again by putting this just as high up as I can. My hair is super short, so it's not clinging to anything yet, but good enough. And then I just like fold the scarf, not fully in half, but I fold it so that it's a little bit thicker. You'll see. Or like scrunch it, I guess. This time I only scrunched it, I didn't like fully fold it. And then I just twist, twist, twist. And you can get creative with how you twist it. Have certain colors peek out, or just play with it. And then just, wrap it around, keep twisting it, twist and tuck. Twist and tuck. And then there you go.